Hi, I'm Scott, spray foam technician with Healthy Homes Insulation. Just a few things that you can do to help us out when we come to your home. We want to respect it. So a few things you could do was make sure that the driveway is clear, at least enough room for a decently wide trailer, truck and trailer to fit in your driveway. That helps us because it gives us space to remove our equipment from the trailer, spread it out as we need. We also don't want to scuff up any vehicles in the way with the hose and or any other equipment that we have. Another would be to move belongings, especially belongings that are near where the spray foam will be applied. We do ask that you at least slide it 6 feet away from the area that's being spray foamed. This not only makes our job easier because that stuff is in our way. We don't have to climb over things, reach over things, but also you won't get overspray all over your belongings, which I'm sure nobody wants, especially if we're doing stuff in the basement where there's a lot of precious items. Maybe the last thing would be to be present once we arrive so we can kind of walk through everything, show any kind of concerns, show how we might, or explain how we might tackle these. And then be present come the end of the job where we might have to show you some areas, show you the work, make sure it's up to your standard, and then collect payment. Sometimes we might run into something unexpected, either be in a basement or in an attic that we weren't expecting to see, something that might cause issues down the road, something we might need you to look into someone else to get repaired, something we might be able to repair. We would like for you to be there. In that case, we can explain to you our findings and hopefully help you take care of those. Again, I'm Scott with Healthy Homes Insulation, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in your home tomorrow.